Model: 2015 Ford Transit Connect T200 1.6 TDCi 1 owner MOT'D. Body: white, panel van. Mileage: 189,431. MOT: 6 February 2024. Engine: 1560 cc 1.6 TDCi 75ps. Transmission: 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. The near side front wheel bearing will need replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is average. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. One keeper from new that has locked after this vehicle very well. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description.